Ozzy Osbourne, the iconic musician known as the Prince of Darkness, is set to undergo additional surgery after experiencing significant pain. This news comes after Osbourne recently canceled his appearance at the highly anticipated Power Trip festival. The musician is still in the midst of recovering from a devastating fall he suffered back in 2019. The 72-year-old rock legend's ongoing health complications have been a cause for concern among his fans and the music industry alike. Osbourne had already rescheduled his No More Tours 2 Inches farewell tour multiple times due to various health issues, including Parkinson's disease. Unfortunately, it seems that Osbourne's recovery journey is not yet complete. Despite his dedicated efforts to bounce back from his fall, the musician continues to experience substantial pain, which has forced him to step back from scheduled commitments. His withdrawal from the upcoming Power Trip festival has disappointed many fans who were eagerly anticipating his performance. While the exact details of Osbourne's upcoming surgery have not been revealed, it is clear that the procedure is necessary for his overall well-being. The musician's team remains hopeful that the surgery will alleviate his pain and contribute to a more successful recovery. Osbourne's fall in 2019 had resulted in a series of setbacks in his career and personal life. He had to undergo neck surgery, which led to the postponement of his tour. This accident also led to a downward spiral of depression and drug abuse. Fortunately, with the support of his family and medical professionals, Osbourne has been able to find strength and persevere through these difficult times. Throughout his career, Ozzy Osbourne has become renowned for his electrifying stage presence and influential contributions to the rock genre. From his early days as the lead vocalist of Black Sabbath to his immensely successful solo career, Osbourne has cemented his status as a true rock icon. As fans and the music community anxiously await updates on Osbourne's condition, it is evident that his health remains a top priority. His journey towards recovery serves as a powerful reminder of the resilience and determination it takes to overcome personal challenges. Despite the setback, Osbourne's fans continue to rally behind him, sending love and well wishes for a speedy recovery. It is our hope that Osbourne's upcoming surgery will bring him relief from the pain he has been enduring. The music world eagerly anticipates his return to the stage, where he can continue to captivate audiences with his extraordinary talent and unmatched charisma.